Hey guys, I'm doing an unboxing today that I have been waiting on for a week. Saturday I ordered this gun after using my buddy CMP's. Go check his airsoft page out, his channel, CMP Airsoft. I tried this out, loved it, and bought one that day after I sold my KWA Ronin for it. I bought a, it's an ARP9. And I bought a battery extension. I already put it on. Yes, I already put it on. I've already been in it. Because you need that little bit of extra lump for the lipo that I have. So we open it up. Let's get into it. We have a warranty, standard. You have your standard standard manual, and this one actually comes with a blown up view, which is very nice in case you have to get into it and you don't lose nothing, like I sometimes do. I'll find it in a second. Maybe not, but anyway, I know it's in there. I'll find out later. Let's get into the main goodies. All right, G&G, you guys made an amazing freaking gun. This thing is a little beast. I have already put the battery extension, tube extension on it right there. It comes off. It's pretty simple. Just press that. Boom. There it goes. So let's put that on there. Comes with a 300 round high cap magazine. It is actually very nice. I'm gonna hang up on that. It's really solid for a polymer body. Metal trigger, metal gears. Selector switches metal. Rotary hop up, M-lock rail, little bitty thing right there. A loudener. That's something. So I'm gonna put a battery in this to see what it sounds like. It is gonna be beastly. Don't have to worry about that. Safety. It's got a built-in MOSFET, so. Oh my god, I love it. You guys will see some gameplay. I'm going to be at a game tomorrow, so I'll be doing some gameplay with this too, just because it's just a wicked little machine. I went ahead and also bought 2 spare magazines. They are 60 round mid caps. I like to run mid caps. Good, they actually got my order right. I was supposed to be here freaking Wednesday, and it wasn't. And the whole team was ragging on me. Oh, you're not gonna get it. You're not. Well, screw you guys. I love you, but screw you guys. So that's not bad either. So yeah. Anyway, so playing with the just the high cap. I got a few in there. And I just fired a few rounds through it to see how it all works. So what we're gonna do. See how? Oop, there goes. Oh, there goes $1. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through all 3 versions. We're going to do the semi, we're going to do the full, and we're going to do the 3-round burst, which is really cool. So, cameraman, follow me. I'm using Vulcan .3s. I haven't really messed with nothing yet. Let's go up right there. On the hop up, so we're gonna see what it does with 3s right now. This is on semi-auto. It's a freaking laser. All right, there is 3-round burst. And 2, 3. Get this thing off of 3-round burst. It's starting to rain on my new gun. There we go. And this is full auto. I love this gun. I do not like the high caps. I don't like the wind. This son of a gun is loud. Until then, this is Cryptic Airsoft's Outlaw. See y'all guys next time.